but I really feel sometimes I need to be harsh with you. Like, one thing I'm going to say to you right now, which a lot of people may not like, but I need to say this. So, are you going to be part of this new YouTube revolution? If you're thinking, what the hell is this girl talking to me about? What is this new YouTube world that we all can be a part of? Your success is determined by you, nobody else. And I just really think that is so powerful. So many things happen in our lives. Like, oh my God, I'm literally sat here reflecting on the past 10 years. My son is now 10. I actually think I first uploaded my first ever YouTube video about 10 years ago, which is crazy to think of. And I'm just sick and frustrated, and I have said this for probably the last few months now, mainly sick and frustrated with myself, because sometimes I feel like I don't know what I'm doing. Like, what am I doing in my life? Do you ever feel like this, where you know, like, your goals and your dreams, and you're so determined to get there, but on that journey, like, so many different things can happen. This is Veena in the future, and I've just realized this whole video, the lighting is not great. I don't know how I'm out of focus, because my phone shouldn't be out of focus, but it seems like it is. And again, another message for this video is just start. This video is not perfect as it look. It looks a bit grainy. The lighting's not great. I don't even think I've been in focus for this whole video. But the point is, I'm putting my message out there. If this can help people, if this can even build my brand in some way, if this can... Oh, there's just so many reasons why I do YouTube, and I just want you to understand, like, look at me. I'm filming this video on my mobile phone. This isn't perfect, because perfection kills productivity. It really does. And we're going to go back into the video in a second. I do want to say, if you want to learn about YouTube, this different new revolution that I'm trying to teach, go and sign up to my free YouTube training. I'm going to teach you how I got to 10,000 subscribers by being really inconsistent. So if you want to learn how I did this, just go to 10kyourway.com. The link should be popping up now, and I'll also leave it below this video. I just wanted to make this video because, look, it's 2020 now, and you need to be part. I urge you to be part of this new YouTube revolution that are going to do things differently. And by different, I don't mean going completely against what everyone else is doing on YouTube. I mean doing things differently by doing things your way. Because there's so many blueprints out there and success steps and all the rest of it, and I'm not knocking any of them, because I have my own courses and programs which I truly believe if someone starts it from scratch and goes through my whole course, their life, and I know this sounds really dramatic, but their life and mindset will be transformed. And this is what I'm trying to say now, okay, is that you learn things, okay? Learn things every day. Invest in yourself. Invest in coaches and mentors to get to that place you want to get to. Learn everything you possibly can, but then break the rules, break the mold, and be yourself, because there are a million different ways to be a millionaire. There are a million different ways to grow a YouTube channel, and there are a million different definitions of success. And I've said this for so long, and I want to make this message even louder, that there isn't a set path to success, guys. There's really not. There's so many different ways to do something. Just because, and I know it's easy. I have fallen in this trap so many times of when you see someone on YouTube have a quick success where they've started a YouTube channel last year, and then within a year they've got like 500,000 subscribers, and I'm like, what? I'm so genuinely happy for those people, and it's so inspirational to see that. But at the same time, I do think, but are they happy? it's great to have that success. And remember, success is different for all of us, because 500,000, 100,000 subscribers, what does it actually mean? And I really want you to answer that question for yourself, because everyone's version of success is different. Every time someone gives you advice, take it, take the advice, but then mold it to suit you and mold it to suit your lifestyle. And the whole point of this video, what I'm trying to say is that things are going to change on all of my YouTube channels, and I just want to be myself, and I have always been myself online. People that meet me in person and, my friends and clients that know me, they know when they see a video, they know it's me. But I want to be fully myself. Like, I'm really weird. I'm really weird. And I don't think I show that enough on screen. I teach my clients to be the best version, the ultimate versions of themselves. I want people to shine online and shine their personality, make it literally shine through the screen. And if I'm teaching people that, I need to do it myself. And like I've said, I am myself on camera, but I just I don't know, I need to just be even more myself. And I am strange. I think strange thoughts. I randomly sing. I randomly do dances like that. And I don't think I'm showing that enough on YouTube. So by change, I mean that, showing you my proper fullest personality. I'm already really honest, really raw online, but I again just want to be kind of 10x that aspect of it as well. And yeah, you're just going to see things a bit different. And look, I may take a hit on this YouTube channel. My views may go even lower, but remember again, what is your definition of success? For me, it's having that creative outlet. For me, it's even if one person watches this video and there's literally one view and there's one comment from someone and this video has actually helped them in some way, to me, that is success. It's about helping people. It's about serving people. Of course, we all need to make money. We don't need to be scared of money. Of course, I want my courses to sell. Of course, I want my ebooks to sell. Of course, I want anything that I'm putting so much time and energy into. I want it to help people. I want people to buy it. I'm not saying that you can't. I'm not saying that success is just about helping people. Everyone's version of success is different. If your version of success is to make loads of money, then that's fine. No one should judge you for that, because like I said, we've all got to eat. We've all got to drink our hot water. We've all got to have our central. We've all got bills to pay at the end of the day. I just hope this video is coming across in the right way. But yeah, this is how I wanted to start 2020, is just to have this sit down talk with you and let you know that I'm going to be even more myself, and I want you to do that online as well. Just be yourself. That is when you will have that true success, which is happiness and a fulfillment for you. What makes me happy may not make you happy. Some people always say to me, Veena, take a break. Especially my parents, bless them. And I know they're saying it out of the goodness of their heart, because they love and care about me so much, but they're always like, Veena, you're always doing stuff, just watch TV. And I'm like, yeah, but if I watch TV all day, that actually makes me depressed. I know I need to take a break, but for me, that's not watching Netflix all day. For me, it's going for a walk. For me, it's spending quality time with my son when all technology is off and I'm literally playing the most boring game with him. It bores me so much, but it makes him happy. I have to look, I've got it here. It's all around my house. Bless him, he actually made these. These are incredible. He made them himself, painted them and everything. Anyway, he loves it when I play planes with him. And like I said, it really just, I know this sounds really horrible, but it really, that doesn't make me happy. But what makes me happy is seeing him happy. And I don't know, I just feel this video is a bit all over the place, but I just needed to get this out. You're going to see a lot more videos where they're not fitting into a box. Again, I really feel this past year I've been suffocating myself there's so many more things I want to talk about sometimes, and I just don't do it because I'm like, where does that fit into my brand? Like, I love talking about things like the law of attraction and the universe and even politics, things like that. But it doesn't fit anywhere. It doesn't fit in this Veena V brand where I'm your YouTube coach and I'm teaching you how to get confident on the camera and starting your YouTube channel. It doesn't fit on my other brand, Mum to Millionaire, which is all about like an uncensored guide to business and life for mums who want to start a business. It doesn't fit into my other business called Real Mauritius, where this Real Mauritius, which is all about, you guessed it, the paradise island of Mauritius. And yeah, I'm just going to, I don't know. I'm just going to do things differently, and I want you to do things differently. I want you to be you. I know it's easy to see what other people are doing and copy that exact thing. I want you to master the basics. I want you to set yourself a solid foundation, but then I want you to be you and create your own path, okay? Get that coach, get that mentor, get as much help and as support you can. But then remember, we already have the answers within us. We already know things, but sometimes it takes someone else to say it to us. I don't know what I'm going to call this video. I don't know what. I just don't know. But to help you to take action, of course, I'm going to be my nice, normal self and friendly, but I really feel sometimes I need to be harsh with you. Like, one thing I'm going to say to you right now, which a lot of people may not like, but I need to say this. And it's this thing of, we are all going to die. And I know that, mate, you're like, what? Like, but that's the reality. That is one fact of life that no one is ever going to take away. We are all going to die. And when I say that to myself, and I know it sounds harsh, but when I say that phrase to myself, it actually makes me get up and do things, because I don't want to die not having put all my ideas out there, not being as highly creative as I can, there's so many people in life like I want to help. And oh my God, I'm getting emotional. Yeah, I just want you to realize, like, you're so talented. Like, stop hiding, stop trying to be something you're not. If people, look, this is reality, okay? If you put yourself out there on YouTube, which I really want you to do, because I really believe that everyone is so talented and everyone has a message. Why am I getting emotional saying this? Everyone has a message that they need to share with the world. And I don't want to sugarcoat this for you. Like, there are some nasty people out there. Like, there really is, but don't let those people put you off. And I've seen this time and time again where I will train someone and they're so excited to launch their YouTube channel. Okay, I need to edit this out. Hold on. Whew, okay, right, I am back now. What I was trying to say just then is that I have trained a lot of people who get, after I've been with them in a session, they're so enthusiastic, they're so happy, they just can't wait to start their YouTube channel, get their videos up. But then sometimes after 1 or 2 videos, they stop doing it. And I know the reason why is because they may get a negative comment. They might not even get anything online. It might be a family or friend that has said something to them and it's just knocked their confidence completely. So be prepared that will happen to you. Like, there's another thing. I don't want to sugarcoat things for you anymore. Like, I need to tell you the truth is that, of course, you can launch a YouTube channel. You can be successful, but realize that there are people out there that want to drag you down. And I'm sorry to say that, but they are. And with those people, don't get angry at them, because they're going through something in their own life. I need to make another video because I get loads of hate comments. Sometimes I'm just literally, responding to your comments, and then I'll see like a really nasty thing literally saying, go beep yourself, you beep, beep. And I'm just like, what? All my videos are like educational and helping people. And before I would cry for so long, like, oh, why has this person done this? But it's not about me. It's about them. Like, we've got to have sympathy for those people because they are clearly going through something. For them to project their negativity on someone who they do not know, they're going through something so bad themselves. So you don't hate them. Don't feel angry with them. We need to feel sympathy for them, and we need to send them so many positive vibes that they actually get better and they realize that their life doesn't need to be negative. Their life can be so positive, okay? I'm going to end this video with, again, saying to you that I'm still going to be giving you YouTube tips. It's probably going to be done in this style, like more chatty way. I'm still going to do tutorials, and I'm going to bring something in called the Mindset Addict. Okay. It used to be called Move Forward Mondays. So I think it was last year, some of this year, I did something called Move Forward Mondays, where every Monday I would just tackle like a YouTube problem and just help you overcome it. So it's going to be similar to that. So still like motivational, working on your mindset, and hence the name. Every Monday, we're going to do something called the Mindset Addict. Lots of things to do with just expanding your brain and expanding your mindset. And I just want to create a segment on this YouTube channel that is going to help you conquer, because I've realized that if I can help you conquer your mindset, it's going to help you be able to spread your message here on YouTube. And that is what I want this channel to be known for. I want to help you to grow your mind, to create these different sets of beliefs on how you see yourself. I then want you to really tap into what your true talent is. I want you to put it on YouTube, and I want you to be happy. I want you to be fulfilled. I just want to help you to spread your message across the world. That's what I want to help you to do, okay? And this is what this channel is going to be about. This was a really random video. No one has probably reached it to the end. If you have reached this video to the end, comment below and write, I don't know, do something really weird that other people wouldn't understand. I know. Write Super Trooper. Okay, Super Trooper in the comments if you've got to this part of the video, so I know. This is going to be so funny. If nobody writes Super Trooper in the comments, it means nobody got to the end of this video and I'm basically just talking to myself. But remember, I don't care anymore. I've never really cared. All I care about is helping you. So if someone got their value in the first 5 minutes of that video and they went, that makes my day. That makes me happy. I love you so much. My name is Veena V, and I'm here to help you conquer your mind and then spread your message globally.